Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you the ultimate beginner friendly wig. You guys, this wig is 100% glueless and it is from Nadulahair. And although she is glueless, she is 100% secure. This is their pre-cut lace closure wig, Wear&Go Jerry Curly Human Hair Breathable Cap Beginner Wig. And you guys, this wig is perfect for the summer, not only because of the curls, but just because of how simple it is to style and install. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. So first, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing. Nadulahair is known for sending so many goodies along with their wigs, so many free gifts, including a robe. They actually send you a silk robe, so it's definitely worth the purchase because you're getting so much more than just the wig in itself. So here is the hair. Once again, this is their pre-cut lace closure wig, Wear&Go Jerry Curly Human Hair Wig with a breathable cap. This is considered a beginner wig because the lace does come pre-cut for you. It also comes pre-plucked. There's an adjustable strap, so it is 100% glueless. The breathable cap is perfect for the summer, and it also has that silicone base around the wig as well for a non-slip install, all right? So literally, you could throw it on within 3 seconds and leave your house. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on into this install. So of course I washed the wig off camera as well as bleached the knots to my liking, but first I'm going to show you guys that silicone base, which is non-slip, so your wig is not going to fall off, including that adjustable strap for the glueless install, and that is how the lace looks after I bleached the knots to my preference. So the first thing you want to do is adjust that strap to your liking and whatever is comfortable for you. I normally like my wigs nice, tight, and snug so that I know that they're not going anywhere. Once I fit the wig to my head, I kind of see what it's looking like. I go ahead and secure my middle part, and then I add some makeup onto that lace as well. Now the good thing is that this wig does come pre-cut for you, and it also comes pre-plucked, so you do not have to worry about cutting off the lace. God forbid that's something that you're not really too good at. In the plucking situation as well, they actually send you the wig ready to install and ready to go. And as you guys can see, she's already installed, so we're just heading over to the styling portion now, which is why she takes 3 seconds to literally throw on. So this is perfect for all my beginners out there. It's perfect for the summer as well. So I'm pretty sure you guys can already tell that that lace is like melting into my skin, but if I can see it off camera, then I just assume that you guys can see it on camera as well. There are some spots where you can tell that there's lace there, so I'm just adding some of my foundation. That way the lace fully melts with my skin color, and then we're going to make this wig super flat because you guys know how I do. So I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb on each side of the middle part to make sure that the wig is laying flat. Please do not run the hot comb through the curls because you do not want to damage the curls. You just want to do it at the very top. Alright, I hope you guys can notice the difference with that. The wig is looking super flat on the very top, and of course this is a closure wig, so it is 100% glueless. You guys know I love me some glueless wigs. It's nice and snug on my head, everything fits perfectly. So now it's time to finish off the rest of the hair. So I did one side off camera. I just added some water and mousse because that's all that this hair needed, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that on this side. Now while you guys are watching me do so, let's just talk about the hair for a second. Did I have excessive shedding, excessive tangling, or anything like that? No. But what I will tell you guys is that this wig obviously is a jerry curly type of wig, so whenever it comes to curly wigs in general, you want to make sure that you detangle it properly and you are gentle with the hair. So normally what I do is I saturate the hair with water, I smooth the water into the hair, and then I finger detangle. Once I'm done finger detangling, then I would add some mousse to really make those curls pop. Alright, and we are done, you guys. What do you think? I think this is the perfect wig for not only my beginners, but for us girlies who just want to have a wig that we could just pop on and leave our house, especially because summer is right around the corner, and where I live it gets super humid outside, so wigs like this is perfect because there's literally nothing that you have to do. Of course, I will have all the information listed in the very top of the description box, including the direct link to the hair in itself. So if you are bad at cutting lace, if you are bad at plucking your lace, if you are bad at installing wigs in general, this is the perfect wig for you, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in as always, and I will see you guys next time.